how to expand image on Canva from this to this. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Artists YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you that how I have expanded this image from this to this. So whatever the image you have and you are planning to expand it so that you can edit as a thumbnail or on any project that you are working with. So guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive all the latest update. Now let's begin the tutorial. Okay, I'm assuming that you have already your image is ready. So what you need to do is you have two different options to expand your image, like by just uploading your picture, this picture directly drag and drop here, but don't do that. Don't do that. I would not recommend that. What you need to do is first just come to your home page. Just come to the Canva home page, and then from here what you need to do is select the size. Okay, so here are the size preset. As you can see, if you are using Instagram story, thumbnail, whatever, you just select it. Okay, or if you want the custom size, then you can simply click here custom size and then select it. Okay, so video, presentation, all are here presets, and you can select. Then you can select this one, or you can simply select the custom size. But in my case, I am going to select the YouTube thumbnail. As you can see here, so YouTube thumbnail is here. So click on the upload now. So you have to upload your image. As you can see, my image is already uploaded here. So I'm simply going to click here, left click, and then it will show up here. Okay, so here you have to drag up and then just hold and drag and take it to the middle. Okay, so when you see this cross line, as you can see the 4 cross line, it means that it is in the center. Okay, so your image is aligned in the center. Now what you need to do is just click on the image, and then you have the option here, edit. Okay, you don't have to go here and there, you just need to find this option, edit. So right now at the moment I'm using this Canva, I have the option here, edit. But in the future, I don't know, in the future if you are watching this video after a long period of time, then Canva might have updated, so you have to find edit option. Okay, so right now the edit button is here. So if your edit button is here, just simply click on the edit, and then from here you have the option Magic Studio. Okay, Magic Studio option is here. So you need to click here on the right button. As you can see, click here, and then here you have the option of Magic Expand, right? So just click on the Magic Expand, and then here it gives you the size, a different size, as you can see here. So my Canva size, the size which I have chosen is a 16:9. So I'll just select 16:9. And then you can also choose any one of them. It's up to you. And then what you need to do is click on the Magic Expand, and then you will see the magic happening in front of your eyes. See guys, I have tried so Photoshop has chroma settings, like you can expand even in the Photoshop, but Photoshop doesn't give you a better way in the image as it gives as the Canva gives you. Okay, so after expanding it, don't leave the video. I'll tell you, I have few things to tell you, very important. That as you can see, the first image that came up was, as you can see here, the unwanted object is appearing here, so you don't have to worry about that. It gives you 4 options here. So another option is here, you can download this one. So it is little blurry on the round, and it also give you a little blurry on the upper side of the image. So you can select any one of them, and then if you don't like this suggestion, this generated image, then you can click generate new result, and then it will give you a new result. Okay, now after selecting, just select any one of them that you like, and then click done. And after clicking done, you can simply click share and then download your image. Okay, and after downloading your image, you can use them. I hope this video definitely helped you. If this video helped you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care.